Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how to turn on or enable dark mode on Facebook app on Android. So before starting the video I am telling you something, that please subscribe my channel and also like the video. So let's start. Actually, sometimes we turn on dark mode on Facebook because in dark mode the Facebook is looking very mind-blowing and attractive, and the light also affects on the eyes, so the dark mode in Facebook is very useful. So we started the process. First of all, you go to the Play Store and make sure that your Facebook is updated. So Facebook is not updated, you have to click on update option. So after update we have to click on the Facebook. So click on it and then you have to go into the three lines and then scroll gently, and you can see that this is setting and privacy option, and then scroll and find out where is the dark mode. So this is dark mode, you can see that this is okay. Click on it. So the dark mode is open. So click on dark mode on option and you can see that the Facebook is turned into the dark mode. So through this easiest process you can turn on or enable dark mode on Facebook application. So if you face any problem or any hurdle in this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to help you. Thanks.